guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Toothless, just like a head portrait version of Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon. We're going to be doing that in this Crayola brand colored, Crayola marker. Really simple, really easy, you're going to love it. And that's it. If you're a beginner, this is perfect for you. So let's get started. First thing I do is, let me draw your attention. That's like my new catchphrase. So let's go here. One side of the head. I'm gonna pull down, and I'm gonna have that same shape, but not quite. I'm gonna kind of cut it there, and that's so I can have this little frill that goes along the edge of him. He has a little frill on the other side as well, same one. Line above here. Line above here. Pulling the top of the forehead. A little ridge toward the back. Another one toward the back. And his ears are gonna be folded back, actually. His ears are kind of like a big, I don't know, like a, kind of, I wanna say like butter knife. There's also little ridges on him. Butter knives have ridges as well. And he has another little kind of horn or extremity coming out the bottom side of his face as well. We're going to the far side eye first. It's going to be kind of halfway, kind of in terms of the top to bottom, it's going to be roughly about halfway down. Pulling around here, closing off the eye. Now we're going to do the other side eye. It's going to be quite a bit of distance in there. His eyes are pretty far away from each other generally. I'm going to put a dot there to kind of place it. And I'm going to pull in kind of an egg shape. His eye is very egg-like, although the outer end is a little bit flattened out, a tiny bit, but very egg-like. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the pupil and iris. They're together. Looks a little bit cross-eyed, but he's got that kind of look to him. I'm gonna fill that in. It's just totally black. Little line right here. Little line indicating a change of what do you call it? Change of dimension, like the form is changing. Little tiny baby ridges on the top of his forehead, like in the middle. Along his skull, top of right here, we're gonna put his nasal cavity. Just two lines, just straight little tiny lines. That's just his nose. Then I'm gonna draw his smile, or his kind of mouth. It has a hump toward the center. It goes back. Pulling in, pulling in. His tongue is going to be sticking out. He kind of has, obviously, the personality of like a dog mixed with a cat or something. And we're going to pull the bottom side of his face to fit that. It's going to also curve downward for him. Then his neck is literally almost as wide as his head. It pulls out a little bit more. And we're going to pull straight line down, and it's going to pull outward for his body, which we're not going to do. We're just going to do his head. And then he's got his hands by his side, so I would draw a straight line right there. And then I draw a little bit right here, showing that his neck is starting to form, you know, down there. He's got like a little bit of throat there. And then he's got a little bit on the side as well. That's pretty much it. That is Toothless, at least the face of Toothless. Just remember that the neck is as wide as his skull. And if you really want to simplify down his skull shape, it's very rectangular from the front. If we were to simplify that in simple forms. And then everything on him is very rounded. I'll say very butter knifey. Almost all of his ridges are very, it's almost like a, yeah, I want to say butter knife. I don't know what else to say quite about that. But that is Toothless. I really hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, click that thumbs up. I also want you to give me some requests in the comments, or just tell me what your favorite movie is out of these three. Is it How to Train Your Dragon 1, How to Train Your Dragon 2, or the new one, How to Train Your Dragon 3, which I have not seen. My favorite is 2, but I have not seen 3 yet, so maybe it will be. But let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. I'm really curious about it, because I'm probably gonna get the art book for it, and I'm just wondering what people think, you know, publicly. But that's it. I'll see you guys another time. I will talk to you guys soon. Don't forget one more thing. I have a How to Draw Cute. If you enjoyed this thing, if you enjoyed this, you know, drawing lesson, don't forget the ebook on how to draw cute. I go over cute proportions in 10 pages. That ebook is meant as a great starter guide for drawing cute stuff. So if you see something and you're like, man, I wish I could cutify that, that's what this is for. I go over the proportions of that stuff in a 10-page printable book. Thank you so much for the people that already said amazing things about it. I really do appreciate it. That it might be a product one day. So one day I might sell that book for like 20 bucks or something. It's an ebook, but right now it is 100% free. And just because I want to give value and really give stuff that you guys enjoy. So that is totally free currently, and that is in the description below. It's gonna be the first link. Just click that link. It'll take you to it, and you can download it from there. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate all the cool stuff, and I want a catchphrase on the outro. I just don't know yet, so I'm gonna make one up right now, and I'm gonna try a different one every video. So stay amazing. Stay amazing, guys. Stay amazing. All right. See you later.